Hi guys, Muni back here with another video. Last days I just received the new Galaxy Buds Plus and today we are gonna unbox them. As you may know, the Galaxy Buds Plus are the second generation of Galaxy Buds with very good improvements. I'm just gonna unbox them, but I will talk about those improvements as well, comparing to the last generation of Galaxy Buds. So let's get started. In the box, first we have some paperwork. Yeah, the quick start guide and the warranty card. We put them aside. We have the white version of the Galaxy Buds Plus, as you can see. We have the case with the earbuds on them. And in this little box, we got the interchangeable ear tips and earrings. Really nice. And we got the charging cable, which is USB-C to USB-A. Nice. Let's see the buds. This color is really nice. And here we have them. As you can see on the touchpad, we have the same color as we got on the Galaxy Buds logo on the box. This fading color, which I cannot really show you, but this is a really nice thing. The first big thing about these buds is the new and exclusive Spotify integration. With a long press on each bud, you can start to listen music right from your Spotify playlist. The second big important thing is the battery life. Last generation gave us about 7 hours of battery life, and these new Buds Plus give us 11 hours, close to 12 hours of battery life, which is a really big improvement, beating almost all the competition. And another really good thing is that you have a Samsung phone. These are the earphones to get due to the really fast connection with any Samsung phone. You just have to open the case and they automatically connect to your phone. So let's see how it works. I have here my Galaxy S20 Ultra, the earbuds. Let's open the case. And yeah, it's connected. As you can see, my earbuds are at 82% and the case is at 0%. So we have our earbuds. If we go into the Samsung wearables application, we have here the earbuds. Let me adjust to the camera so you can see better. So here we got some tips. We have the ambient sound, which have 3 settings: low, medium and high, or we can disable it. We have an equalizer. We can have bass boost, soft, dynamic, clear, treble boost. We can set the notifications, the touchpads. Here we can assign Bixby, ambient sound, volume down, or the Spotify. If we touch and hold the touchpad, we can lock the touchpad if we don't really want to use it. At the advanced, we have the ambient sound during calls. We have the Find My Earbuds. So this is how they work. Little birds chirping. And we have the general settings where we can reset our earbud. We also got earbud software update, which I think it's really nice to have. I think that in the future everything will have software updates, because you can improve many things with software updates. I already got my software update when I opened them. We have some tips and user manual, the labs section, where we can check out experimental features like double tap the earbud edge, which we can use to turn the volume down or to turn the volume up. The extra high ambient sound, so I think this is good for people who have hearing problems because it's add an extra volume level so we can play ambient sound at a higher than normal volume. And we have gaming mode. The gaming mode minimizes audio delay for vivid synchronized gaming sounds. And the last and the best thing, I guess, is that the new case supports wireless charging, and you can charge the case even from your phone due to the new wireless power share and the wireless charging from the earbuds. So let's see if it works. And yes, I don't know if you can see the little red. Let me adjust the camera so you can see better. Now the buds are charging, as you can see, right from my phone battery. This is a really nice thing to have. I don't think I will ever use the cable charging. I will just use the wireless charging pad or my phone. And that was all for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, leave a like and don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next one. Bye bye.